So I'm going to make a copy of the key. Let's see how this will work. Okay, so ready? Copy key. I click on that.
Insert your key below. Please insert and hold your key below with the teeth facing up.
And this should work.
Select your new keys.
So I didn't set it up. All right, so now it's telling me to select. Do I want a bronze copy or color copy? The colors here and the prices, all right? So I'm gonna go for this one, which is cheaper, $5.99. This one is $7.99. So the colors you go for. So I will go for this. All right. Okay, get a free brush. I will say yes. So I'm gonna get a free brush by adding, right? So I just added one. So it's giving me two, then I get a third one for free. You see that? So I'm doing two. Then payment. So I'm gonna pay with my card. Visa. And then I just tap the card. I tap the card, you know. Okay. Total 13. Payment successful. Would you like an electronic receipt? I say yes. I want. I know. Down with the first one. The first one is in. I gotta pick it up. This is the first one. It's gonna do the second one now, number 2. Two is done. So number 2 is also done. Number 3. Okay, all done. All done to number 3. So I got 3. What was the cost for 3? Yeah, the cost was on there. Okay, that's it. I'm all done. Beautiful, right? So let's go. We're good. So that was a very easy. Hello. All right. You too. Okay, so guys, you see how easy it was. I finished Amo. I go with that. Boys can't do the key. This one where I do I'm simple like that. No stress, no hassle. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.